Good morning, students. So now let us discuss about electric field. Okay. So in previous class we discussed about the last part of electric charge, that is superposition principle. Okay, and the superposition principle says that the total force on any one charge because of all other charges is equal to the algebraic sum of all forces on that charge. Okay, or algebraic sum of all forces because of all other individual charges. Okay, and the force is not affected because of presence of other charges. Okay, now let's take the discussion about electric field. So electric field means we can say that is the area, okay, of a charge. Okay, that it means we consider the total space around a charge. Okay, what is that space and what is it need? Okay, and when we consider any body, okay, so any body or anything have a surrounding region. Okay, any body, or suppose we take mass, we take magnet, we take charge. Okay, all the bodies has a definite region. Okay, and that definite region will indicates the field. Okay, so in order to take the more clarification about the electric field, suppose I consider a point charge, that is q. Okay, point charge q placed at a point O, and suppose I consider the charge is positive. Okay, okay, so in order to understand the electric field, okay, of the charge q, okay, that I take a positive charge. Okay, in order to understand the electric field, suppose I take another charge, that is q0. Okay, and q0 is a test charge. Okay, so q0, suppose I take a test charge. Okay, q, that is a point charge, both are positive sign. Okay, and in order to measure the electric field at point P, okay, that means we can say if the electric force, okay, if the electrostatic force exists at point P, then electric field also exists at point P. Okay, again I repeat, if the electric force, okay, electric force means force of q on q0. Okay, electrostatic force at point P exists, then we can say there is also existence of electric field. ओके, एबे जाय भी टिके क्लारिफिकेशन आसु नथि, देख आ गोटे वे रे हमें देखिबा. ओके, एटी कोन कहिली, जदि मोर पी पॉइंट रे इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एग्जिस्ट करूची, ताले पी पॉइंट रे हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी कैलकुलेट करि परिबा. ओके, बट क्वेश्चन आस व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मीन्स वी कैन से every charge particle has a region within which we can calculate or we can observe electric force. Okay, suppose I take that same point charge q, okay, that same positive charge q, and when we take the effect of q, okay, or the force region of q, then what we find? Suppose the electrostatic force of q will exist up to the region that mark in the board. Okay, suppose q charge रो जो force रो region हमें कहले force जते जाए exist करिवो, field भी मोर सेते जाए exist करिवो. ओके जदि आम गोटे पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स मेजर करि पारुचे ता माने सेठी भी आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी मेजर करि परिबा सपोज एटी पॉइंट चार्ज रो गोटे फोर्स रीजन आम नहींचे दिस इज द फोर्स रीजन ओके दैट मीन्स फोर्स रीजन माने एटी कौन बुझुचे ता माने जदि एटी गोटे मु चार्ज बसैली मन कर Q1 एटी मन कर गोटे चार्ज बसैली Q2 एटी मन कर गोटे चार्ज बसैली Q3 ता माने Q रो जो फोर्स रो इफेक्ट Q1 ऊपर भी आसीबो Q2 ऊपर भी आसीबो Q3 ऊपर भी आसीबो किंतु जदि गोटे चार्ज मु नउची से रीजन बाहर मन कर Q4 नेली ओके जदि मुझे चार्ज टाक नौ से रिजन बाहर ता माने ये इंडिकेट करुच्ची Q4 ऊपर Q1 लो किसी फोर्स नहीं Q4 ऊपर Q1 लो किसी फोर्स नहीं कहीं फोर्स रिजन लो बाहर अच्छी ओके जेहेतु से फोर्स रिजन लो बाहर अच्छी तमें कहीपर द फोर्स ऑन Q4 बिकॉज ऑफ Q इज 0 ओके एंड इन सच केस वी कैन नॉट मेजर हियर द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ओके ताले ये पॉइंट रे मोर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एग्जिस्ट करिवो नाही ओके ताले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मीन्स कौन इट इज ए रीजन ऑफ चार्ज फोर्स ओके सो इट इज ए रीजन ऑफ एनी चार्ज पार्टिकल such that within this region we can experience the electrostatic force ओके तमें से रीजन भितर आम कहार इफेक्ट को ऑब्जर्व करि परिबा ना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स रो इफेक्ट को आम ऑब्जर्व करि परिबा ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is a space or region surrounding any charge particle such that within this region we can observe the electrostatic force. We can observe the electrostatic force. Okay, so it is a space or region surrounding any charge particle such that within this space or region we can experience the electric force. Okay, and generally the electric field strength, okay, the strength of the electric field strength or simply electric field intensity. So that electric field is denoted by E vector. Okay, so electric field intensity or field strength, okay, of one charge upon another charge is simply given by E equals to F by Q naught. Okay, suppose I remove all other charges and place here a test charge Q0. Okay, and when we consider the effect of Q, okay, now we are measuring the field strength of Q upon Q0, so that's why that is called a source charge. And when you consider the strength of one charge upon another, that charge is called source charge. Okay, and that other charge is called strength test charges. Okay, and the test charge will not affect the source charge. Okay, that means the source charge is not displaced anywhere because of that test charge. Always the repulsion or attraction takes place from that test charge. Okay, electric field because of the source charge cannot displace that source charge. Okay, source charge is always fixed. Okay, always the force direction is measured from that test charge. Okay, जेतबे तुम फोर्स रे डायरेक्शन हमें मेजर करूचे गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पाई से केस रे हमें कहा पाखरु मेजर करबा ना से टेस्ट चार्ज पाखरु सोर्स चार्ज ऑलवेज फिक्स. okay, source charge cannot be displaced, okay, and when we measure the direction of the force or direction of the field, that is always taken from that test charge, okay. So now if we measure the electric field of Q on Q0, okay, or field strength of Q upon Q0, then that is the E vector equal to force by that test charge, okay, and that force is the electrostatic force between the source charge and the test charge, okay. से जो फोर्स टा हमें कहूँ से फोर्स टा क्या भितर फोर्स ना से सोर्स चार्ज और टेस्ट चार्ज भितर जो फोर्स आसूची से फोर्स रो वैल्यू, ओके. सो सिंपली हियर वी कैन डिफाइन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट एनी पॉइंट. देख को पॉइंट रे मेजर करने चाहूचे पी पॉइंट रे, पी पॉइंट रे कहीं मेजर करवा पी पॉइंट रे मेजर करवा कि नहीं केतेबेले जानिबा जदी पी पॉइंट रे मोर इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स एक्जिस्ट करूची, यदि पी पॉइंट रे मोर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एक्जिस्ट करूची ताहले पी पॉइंट रे भी हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी मेजर करि परिबा, ओके. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट पी बिकॉज ऑफ द सोर्स चार्ज Q इज द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स पर यूनिट टेस्ट चार्ज placed at that point P, okay. से point P रे कितने यूनिट चार्ज अछि, okay. So that's why electric field intensity is the electrostatic force per unit charge placed at that point, okay. That means we can say the electric field intensity at point P, okay, because of source charge Q is equal to the electrostatic force between them divided by the charge placed at point P, okay. So that is E equal to F by Q naught, okay. And when we measure the E, that means we can say E is a vector quantity, okay. So electric field intensity is vector, okay, and electric field intensity when we measure the unit of electric field intensity, so unit of electric field intensity can be measured from this factor E equal to, simply we say E equal to F by Q naught, okay. So unit NSI, that is Newton per coulomb, okay. So Newton coulomb inverse, or in CGS unit that is dyne half coulomb inverse or start coulomb inverse, start coulomb inverse or dyne half coulomb inverse, okay. So that will be the unit of electric field intensity. Now take the dimensional analysis, okay. So the dimension of electric field intensity, dimension of E, okay. So simply we say E equal to F by Q, okay. So dimension of F, that is M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by A1 T1. So that's why M1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1, okay. So that is the dimension of electric field intensity, okay. And the more important thing on electric field is the physical significance. The physical significance of electric field says that the electric field intensity also measure the force. Point को देखो, electric field intensity also measures the force at that point, okay. So electric field intensity रे हमें कौन measure करूँ ना force on that point, से point रे हमें force भी measure करी पर, so that is the main physical significance, okay. So if we say E is the electric field at point P because of source charge Q, then I write E equal to F by Q0. Force is not given, okay. F is simply F, okay. E, that is the electric field at point P because of the source charge Q, okay. And we say the main physical significance of electric field is that it measures the force on that point, okay. से point रे से force भी measure करूची, force measure করছে, that means we can say, so electrostatic force at point P, that is equal to F equal to Q naught E, F equal to Q naught E, that is the electrostatic force on Q0. Okay, that is the electrostatic force on Q0. So main significance of electric field is that it measures the electric force acting on the test charge. So test charge upre kete force act hoche, that is measured by the electric field. Okay, so that is the electric force on the test charge Q0. Okay, because of source charge Q. Okay, so that means we can say electric force equal to charge into electric field. Okay, so electric field also measure the electrostatic force on that test charge. Okay, so this is a just idea about the electric field. So go through your books. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, so in next class we will measure the strength of the electric field. Okay, that means we can take the mathematical expressions. Okay, in order to express the electric field because of a point charge, because of a group of point charge, in terms of position vector. Okay, in terms of continuous charge distribution. Okay, so this is all about today. So go through your books, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.